Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing some Christmas recipes. First off, we're going to be starting with chocolate peppermint bark. You'll need milk chocolate or dark chocolate, 200 grams, some white chocolate and some peppermint essence. And then to decorate, we just need some candy canes crushed up. So first off, we need to melt our chocolates. You start with the milk or dark chocolate. I've already done this one because you need to keep it in the fridge to set. So as soon as you've spread it out on your platter, you put it in the fridge to set. We then melt our white chocolate. I've only done a small batch here, but if you're using 200 grams of chocolate, you'll need half a teaspoon of peppermint essence, but because I've only got a little bit, I'll only need a few drops. We then mix our peppermint essence into our white chocolate. So we need to give that a good mix to make sure it's all mixed through. And we can then spread it onto our milk chocolate, dark chocolate base. You can make it as thick as you like or as thin as you like. You do need to make sure that the dark chocolate or the milk chocolate is really cold, because otherwise it will melt once the white chocolate goes on top. And give it a good spread. And then we can just sprinkle it with our candy canes. Again, with the candy canes, you can use as many or as little as you like. So we're then going to pop this in the fridge or the freezer, depending on how quick you want it set. I'm going to pop it in the freezer today. So while we're waiting for that to cook, we're going to be making our chocolate brownie Christmas trees. I've just used a packet mix for the chocolate brownies. If you follow the recipe for this, once they're cooked, you can cut them into little triangles, ready for our trees. For this recipe, we'll also need vanilla frosting and green food dye. I've just mixed the food dye in with the frosting. We'll need hundreds and thousands, and we've got little stars for our Christmas tree stars, and just a piece of candy cane for the trunk of the tree. So once we've cut our chocolate brownies into our triangles, we get our icing in a piping bag and we just cut a little bit off the end, and we use this just to pipe the decoration onto the tree. Like that. So you will need a little bit at the top for the star as well. And then we can place our star on and then use our hundreds and thousands for the decorations on top. So we'll also, once we've done that, you can put this in before you decorate as well. We stick our candy cane in the base for the trunk of the tree. So it's a super easy Christmas snack that you could have on Christmas Day, or you can give them as presents. I will just check our peppermint bark in the freezer. It's not quite frozen, but once it is frozen, you can then just break it up into pieces, and you can use this as a snack on Christmas, or you could use it as a present in plastic bags. I hope everyone has a fun time making these Christmas snacks.